are different stories about where Dedždžal is. Some say he's in the mountains, and others say he's under the sea. So where is he?
Okay, where is the Dedždžal?
Well,
We knew that.
the location of Dedždžal at this point in time, we don't know. We just know that he will appear in or from the area of Khurasan. That's where he will appear when he actually starts the process of actually engaging and rallying people around himself. We know that in the time of the Prophet ﷺ, one of the companions, Tamim ad-Dari, had mentioned visiting an island with, or being shipwrecked on an island with some other companions, and they had come across a chained individual on the island, and the Prophet ﷺ had confirmed that this person claimed he was Dedždžal, confirmed that he was in fact a Dedždžal. So where that island is, Allah knows best. There have been speculations about its location and how it is that he may have been alive from that time until the time that he appears freed from the chains or whatever. This is all knowledge known only to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It was not informed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He didn't inform us about it, so we just have to take things, as the narrations come. There's no evidence for him being under the sea. That's nonsense.
I don't know actually.
أمة الإسلام بشرى إننا نلمح فجرا في شباب قد أشادوا صحوة للدين كبرى.